This is how you make homemade toilet bowl cleaner. We're going to make toilet bowl fizzies today. All you're going to need is a cup of baking soda with about a half a cup of citric acid. They sell this anywhere that you are going to find canning supplies. We're going to add that into our mixing bowl here with a couple squirts of Castile soap. You can use whatever scent you like. They also have a scentless soap if you are looking to avoid fragrances. Mine is a lavender based one, but you can use whatever you have. This is more about texture than measurements here. You want to mix it together until it holds together in a ball like I had there. Once that texture happens, you can go ahead and pour them into either ice cube trays like I have here or a silicone tray. You could even use a cookie scoop to scoop them out and let them kind of harden either on a cookie sheet or in these trays that we have here. Let them sit out on the counter for about 24 hours and then you can store them in a Ziploc bag like I have here or in a mason jar, whatever you have. Store them underneath your bathroom sink for future use.